Hello, 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 everybody. Right, okay. So I have another project using Seaside Treasures, which is available in Dawn's online shop, and from the 24th to the 27th, there is a 10% discount. So yeah, I think today, when this video goes out, it will be either the 24th or the 25th. I'm not sure. But yeah, take advantage of the 10% discount. She's got some gorgeous things in the shop. She really has. Yeah. Learn to talk properly, Claire. So, all I'm doing today is 2 cards, white card bases, 5x7. So I've took a few things out of the kit. So I've got these papers, and I want to use these papers. I've got some backing paper there, and then we've got, are these the 8x8s? No, these are the 6x6 papers, which I thought I would use. So I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how I'm going to decorate them. This is a go with the flow type thing. Ooh, I like the spotty one. Some very pretty papers in this. Just trying to see. Yeah, I'm going to use that, and I'm going to use that. Let's just put them there for now. I've got my sentiments, I've got some ephemera, and I've got some more of those gorgeous flowers left. So let's pick some of these papers. So I think I'm doing a blue and a pink card today. Well, pinkish anyway. Oh, that is absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? Right, what am I using? Right, so I want to use one of these with the pink. Yeah, I think that would be nice. This part of it. I think I want to use that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful papers. What's this? Oh, that's just the cover thing. Right, okay. So before I get to sticking and decorating, I want this one here, and I want on your special day, why not? Okay, like that. So I've got my sentiment. I'm going to fussy cut this one, and I think I'm just going to put that one in like a block or something. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. So here we go. Nearly done. Okay, so I've got on your special day, and this one, oh, I've got rubbish on there, I don't know where that come from. I want to cut straight, so that there, yeah, that's nice. A little bit more off this side. Is that about it? A smidgen, just a smidgen off the top. That'll do. There we go. Right, that was quick, wasn't it? Let's choose these. Okay. So this is how I would normally get ready to do a card. Is I'll pick my papers first, and then my ephemera to go with the papers. I just find it easier doing it that way. Bucket and spade shell. I wonder if, yeah, I'm going to do the bucket and spade. Do the little bucket and spade, couldn't I? No, I'm just going to do that bucket and spade. Yeah, quite like that. Then we've got these gorgeous flowers, which I think I'm going to put on the pinkish one. So yeah, I think they'll go lovely on the pink one. Yeah, I'm going to use all of them actually. So yeah, I want one for the pink. See, that's going with the blue. How about the shell? Yeah, I'm going to use the shell. Yeah, the big shell. Big shell. Right, okay. Sorry. Don't know why you showed it. Oh dear. Right, okay, let's move them to the side. And yeah, get to measuring and sticking. Right, so first card, I'm going to do blue. So I'm going to use this. So I know my card is 5 by 7. It doesn't need cutting that way, but it does need cutting that way. So let me do this. So 5 by 7. So I'm going to do 4 3/4, and then I'm just going to cut a smidgen of it. It's not straight anyway, so I'm just going to cut a little smidge off there. And let's see how that measures up. It's very wonky, isn't it, this paper? Why is it like that? Right, we have problems, people. Aha, I found the unstraight side. And this side maybe is a little bit. Right, that should do it. And it should be straight. Yes, it is. I'm going to keep that strip of card. So I want this. So I need to have it 4.5 by that's 6. Let's say I'll cut it a little bit bigger just in case. Right. Okay, I'm actually going to mark this one. Because, yeah, I want it the same all round the edge. So, about there. Okay. About there. Right. And then that should do it. Yes, keep them bits. Right, let's get to sticking and we'll go from there. I need glue, don't I? Yes, it would be a good idea to have glue. It's the same on either side, so. Oh dear. How is everybody doing today? I know the weather's a little bit miserable here in the northeast. I hope it's nice wherever you are. Sun shining, you're out for the day. Well, you wouldn't be watching this if you were out for the day, but maybe earlier on you could have been out for the day. Don't know. I've been for my daily exercise, which is just a walk to the shop and back, really. Need to keep your joints moving. Well, I do anyway, because if I don't, this tend to seize up and I get achy. So going for a walk helps me. Oh, I like it. Right, what are we going to do with the rest of it? Sorry. I'm thinking this across there like that. I need to straighten that though. Yeah. Straighten. Come on. Won't move. Won't move. It's too thin, that's why. But yeah. Bit over. So it's about there. I'm guessing. Yeah, that'll do. So I'm thinking that across there. I'm going to mark it actually. And then I'm going to cut that. Get that on. Just to break the blue up a little bit. Is that straight? That's straight. I got a wee bit of pencil. There we go. Keep that bit. See, it's good keeping your scraps because you never know when you're going to use them. Oh yeah. Yeah. I love working with scraps anyway. There. Doesn't look straight, but never mind. So we have this. I was thinking that there. And then because that's square, I'm going to have that. And maybe we've got blue flower. Yeah, an orange flower and a yellow one. And I'm thinking like that. Yeah, I like that. Right, okay, so let's get sticking down. Sorry. I don't know what I'm humming. Haven't a clue what I'm humming. I'm just humming. Got a busy day ahead of me. My son was here with his fiance yesterday, and brought their gorgeous little poochie, Murphy. But my God, she is a hurricane. Yeah, the toys everywhere. She's like a toddler. She had toys everywhere. She'd been running up and down my furniture, so all the cushions were all over the place. Oh, bless her. She's absolutely gorgeous, but she's like a hurricane. And that one there. So I've got a lot of cleaning and tidying up to do because it was raining yesterday. They were outside all over the garden, muddy feet. Yeah, it's not nice in here at the moment. It's a bit of a mess. So there is my first card. I like that. Simple but nice. So I'm gonna put that there. Right, now onto this card. Hopefully this is going to be a lot quicker. So I want that there and then that over there. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure this way. Yeah, make it easy for myself. Okay, so I want it that like that. And this bit like that. Yes. Oh, I need that, don't I? So we'll keep them bits because I may use them. Just put that to the side. So this is going to have a big border around, which is okay, quite nice to have a biggish border sometimes, isn't it? Well, I think it is anyway. I mean, it's how you feel at the time when you're doing the card, isn't it? You know, you don't know what it's going to turn out like unless you've got a plan, which I do normally have. But lately, I've been going with the flow. So, yeah, and it seems to be working quite nice. My projects are working out lovely. And, yeah, I'm enjoying playing with everything. So okay. Not straight, but it's okay. So as well as cleaning and tidying my house after the whirlwind of a cute little puppy, I have got another video to do because it's my niece's birthday and my mum's birthday. And my mum is 70. And she looks good for her age as well, gotta say. I'm not too sure if I want to use this now. No, I'm just going to use on your special day and have these flowers there. Awesome. Yeah, I like that. So that's what I'm going to do. I don't think it needs a massive focal point, does it? It's nice to keep it simple every now and then. So on your special day. So yeah, I'm making 2 birthday cards using do you know the A3 Santoro Gorgeous Girls paper pad? Well, I forgot I had it actually, so I thought, do you know what, I'm going to use it. No point hoarding it. So yeah, I'm going to use it to make my mum's card and my niece's card. I'm just looking to see if I want to put any jemmies on. I don't think I do actually. No, I don't think I want to put any jemmies on. These are beautiful jemmies, aren't they? Yeah. No, I don't want to put any jemmies on actually, because the flowers have got gems in the middle. So there we go. There is my 2 cards. Ooh. Birthday cards. This one could be for any reason. Doesn't have to be a reason to send a card to somebody. It's just being nice. So yeah, I'm waffling, Anna, a lot. Right. So them are my 2 cards using Seaside Treasures. Beautiful. I like the simplicity of them. Yeah, gorgeous. So if you enjoyed watching, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Oh. And if you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. I will see you in another video very soon. Bye bye for now.